Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Java tutorial of day 4. As discussed in earlier videos, we have discussed about Java IDE. So in order to perform or run a Java program, we need an IDE. So in this video, we are going to download the most popular IDE for Java called Eclipse. As most of the users are using Google Chrome, so I prefer this web browser to download the Eclipse IDE. Now coming on towards the search bar, type Eclipse. This page will appear. Click on the official link of the Eclipse website. This is the official website of Eclipse Foundation. Now scrolling down, we get here Get Eclipse IDE 2023-6. Install your favorite desktop IDE packages. So click download on this. Now select download here. It will show the message as thank you for your download. Now coming on towards the download tab. The download MB is about 123 MB. It will take some time, so we'll wait for its download. Now on completion on download, we will receive this kind of window where it's showing Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now in order to install the IDE, click on install present here. The installation has begun. I advise you all to sit in an area where you get clear network and faster internet connection so that the installation process can complete within few time. After waiting for a long time for up to 5 to 10 minutes, finally the Eclipse installer has completed installing the software for us. Now click on the launch button to launch the Eclipse IDE in your Windows operating system. The screen appears to welcome us to enter into the Eclipse IDE of the version 2023-6. It tells us to select a directory as workspace. Click on workspace. Don't change anything present here. Click on launch. After clicking on launch, it has successfully started Eclipse IDE. So welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers to all. This is the first thing we will going to encounter when we download the Eclipse IDE for the first time. So if you are interested, you can donate for the community. Now coming back towards Eclipse IDE. Now after selecting create new Java project, we are encountered with this screen in front of us. Now to create a new Java project, now click on file, select new Java project, give a project name. As we are creating a Java project, let us give it as Java project 1. When you are encountering this module first, when you are seeing this dialog box first in your system, it may have this checkbox as ticked. So you need to uncheck this checkbox and proceed next. Here all the things are okay. Here it's showing default output folder will be Java project 1/bin. Now click on finish. Now Java project 1 has been created. Double click on this. On this source folder, right click, select new. Now coming on to, as I said earlier, Java is a class based object oriented programming language. So everything which we need to type a code in Java, it requires to be typed inside a class. First we need to mention the package under which we are going to write the program. It is Java project 1 which we created now. Give a name. As in other programming languages like C, C++, we first start our programming journey by writing a hello world program. Similarly, to start our journey in Java programming, we are going to write hello world program. We need to note that the name of the file must be same as that of the name of the class. So we are giving the name as hello world. Now modifiers must be public, that is it must be accessed throughout the program. Don't worry about these things, what are modifiers, we will be seeing in detail in upcoming lectures. Now whatever the content we write inside a class, it must be written in a main program in order to start its execution. So to create a main program in Java, it has this long syntax called public static void main string arguments. So click on this checkbox, the IDE will create it for us in advance. Now click on finish. You will be seeing this IDE editor wherein the program has been displayed. To display the output on the console screen, as in C programming language we use printf statement, in C++ we use cout statement. Similarly in Java programming language we use system.out.println. The statement must end with a semicolon. Inside the println, inside the two braces, we need to place double quotes. To print the string, we need to enclose it with double quotes. Type hello world here. After completing this, you need to click on run. As you can see that we have got the output hello world on the console. So that's all for today. Thank you. So in upcoming lectures we will be dealing about writing our first Java program in a more detailed manner. So the objective of this video was how to download Eclipse in your Windows operating system and create a Java project to run our first program.